To start up your system, you need to connect the power supply and the USB-C to the B2 transmitter. Connect your audio cable to the source of your choice. Then connect the other end to line in. Make sure that your source is on full volume. The S2 speaker is an active wireless speaker, designed to be installed in the Spotlight track. To install your speaker, start by mounting the speaker in the track. Please make sure it's in the right position. Select power phase using the dial. You can select phase 1, 2, or 3, depending on your electrician's setup. You can choose the phase that best suits the installation. As your speaker powers up, you can see a white LED light flashing, indicating the power connection. When the light has turned solid white, the speaker is ready to be paired. It's important to only pair one speaker or receiver at a time. When the light is in solid white, press the pair button for 5 seconds on the transmitter to set it into pairing mode. The blue LED light starts flashing on the transmitter. Music will not be playing until pairing mode is finished on the transmitter. You get 10 minutes to pair each device. So once speaker number 1 has been paired, the time cycle resets and you get another 10 minutes for the next speaker or receiver. On the first speaker, press pair for 5 seconds to set it in pairing mode. Only pair one speaker or receiver at a time. When the light is solid blue on the speaker, the pairing is completed and you can pair the next one. The light will turn purple while waiting for next step. After pairing all speakers, press and hold the pairing button on the transmitter for 5 seconds to close the pairing mode. If the transmitter has reached the end of the pairing cycle after 10 minutes of non-communication, it closes the pairing mode on its own. Once paired, and music is supplied to the transmitter, it will indicate signal by turning the LED light green as your music is playing, and on all paired speakers or receivers there will be a green light. You have now installed the system and music can be enjoyed on your Loud of Sweden system for years to come. That concludes our video and we thank you for watching.